Hi, I'm Brad Stomp, Distribution and Treatment Plant Supervisor with North Marin Water District. I'm here approximately 2 miles west of Novato at Stafford Lake, which supplies Novato with approximately 20% of its drinking water. The hills and valleys you see all around make up the 8 square mile watershed, where runoff from winter rains is collected and stored behind Stafford Lake Dam. North Marin Water District manages and monitors activities on the watershed and works cooperatively with landowners, the Indian Valley Golf Course, and Marin County Parks and Open Space to ensure good water quality is maintained in Stafford Lake. Fishing from shore is permitted at Stafford Lake, but boating, swimming, and wading are prohibited to protect water quality. To assist with water quality, we have 5 solar mixing devices called Solar Bees that help with algae control and oxygenation. Lake water is tested weekly by taking samples that look for pathogens, algae, clarity, pH, temperature, and oxygen content. These tests help adjust the purification process to produce drinking quality water. Stafford Water Treatment Plant sits near the base of the dam. Stafford Lake water is purified here typically from early spring through late fall. For most of the production season, lake water flows by gravity to the plant, but as the lake level drops, we eventually need booster pumps to meet production flow requirements. The water treatment process can be broken down into 6 segments: pre-treatment, coagulation, flocculation, sedimentation, filtration, and disinfection and polishing. The contact chamber is where pre-treatment takes place. Chlorine dioxide is added to oxidize naturally occurring organic and inorganic compounds and organisms. As water leaves the contact basin, chemicals are added to coagulate suspended particles and drop the pH. The lower pH promotes enhanced coagulation, which maximizes the amount of total organic material removed from the water. From here, the water enters the filtration units, where the coagulation process continues with the addition of microsand, which adds weight to the coagulated particles for faster settling. The flocculation chamber is where coagulated particles are gently mixed to form floc that you see here. The floc settles out at the bottom of the chamber and leaves clarified water that is now ready for filtration. The filter bed media are 30 inches deep and consist of anthracite coal on top, silica sand in the middle, and garnet sand on the bottom. The filtered water flows from the ActiveFloc clear well in the main building to be polished in our granular activated carbon units that you see here. The carbon is used to capture any taste and odor compounds that made it through the earlier treatment process, in addition to further removing organic material. The water leaves the carbon units where it enters the finished water clear well. Chlorine is added to meet disinfection standards and the pH raised to help prevent pipe corrosion in your home plumbing. From the clear well, the water is pumped into the distribution system at up to 4,200 gallons per minute, or 6 million gallons per day, supplying clean and pure drinking water to Novato customers. The treatment process is controlled from computers where certified operators manage the plant. Using the computers, operators can adjust the plant process as necessary, dependent on flow and lake water quality. The computers also keep track of water quality parameters such as turbidity, pH, and chlorine residual. Plant operating data is stored in a computer which allows the operators to monitor hourly, daily, and seasonal trends and to ensure excellent water quality is always maintained.